Samantha's trying to get her dodo bird. You can do it, baby. Get that dodo bird. Don't give up. Don't give up. There you go. Oh, you're so close. You are so close. You're almost there. You're almost there, baby. Don't give up. Don't give up, princess. You're doing so good, baby. You're doing so good. You almost got your dodo bird. You're almost there. Should mommy help you? I'll give you some encouragement. It's your dodo bird! Are you pooped? Are you pooped or what? He's right there. He's right there. She's right there. Yeah, she's right there, baby. Almost. Nope. I think we're done. Good job. Good job, Samantha.